welcome back to the country. You can see our mobile home is looking sharp, and our driveway is not. So we got this big mud pit that you got to walk through to get into our house. And if we put our house on the market, and especially if we have showings after a rain, people are going to be walking mud all through our house.
And they're going to think, ew, this is gross.
Not a good thing at all. So we decided we need stone. I haven't called for stone yet. I got to price that still, but I know we can get some. So we're going to start preparing the ground so I'm just ready for it when I call, which means we got to dig a lot of this mud out and get rid of it. The reason being is that we have concrete here, and you know, if we just pile stone on top of this, it's going to be like piling all up on the concrete, and we just don't want that. So we're just going to get rid of some of this yuckiness, and we're also going to get rid of all this grass. We have a lot of digging to do, so we better get into it.
I'm not doing any digging.
You're not?
No.
Why?
How could I?
What do you mean, how could you?
This is not for me.
It's not?
No.
Are you going to do this whole thing? Gonna get the yucky top layer off.
While Doug was digging here, he found a penny. It's 1968.
We detect this whole property and we can't find anything. We start raking and we find stuff.
Yeah. We just found another thing in the mud. This is a marble.
You know, it's funny. You can't win if you think about it. If you plant a garden, you guys know that every year the rocks come up. But if you have a driveway, every year the rocks go down.
Yeah.
The sun's starting to settle down. But we're just getting going.
This is our fourth load.
Yep.
Now he's working on the grass strip that's in here.
Working it this way. But look how much better it looks.
Yeah. Like along this too, when there's like no weeds.
Yeah.
We just found a dime. 1979.
Guess we should have detected our driveway. So unfortunately, Ashley reminded me that tomorrow is the weekend. It's Saturday. So I won't be able to call. I thought I could call for stone tomorrow. I was really excited. I'm like, yeah, let's get this done. We can get the stone. No. Monday we'll probably have to call. I could try calling over the weekend, but I doubt they're working.
Doubt it.
I guess we relax over the weekend and get the trim work done inside the house.
Yeah.
But let us stop talking and keep working. We'll get this done. We'll show you how it looks. So we are done smoothing. It looks pretty good.
It's all
Check
prepared.
it out. That alone looks 100 times better.
Yeah.
Well, 60 times better. But we're still gonna get stone even though we cleared it, because it still gets muddy, and I know the next time it rains it's gonna be sloppy, and just a nice couple inches of stone is gonna make a world of difference. The next step is just calling the stone people. I'm gonna shop around, see where we can get it the cheapest, and just have, I don't even know how much. I don't know how much it's going to cost or anything, so we got to shop around and see.
Yeah.
We'll have a load dropped right there on the spot and smooth it out. So that should be...
And it's going to look awesome.
Yeah, soon.
Fresh.
Yeah. Our garage is finally clean. If you guys have been following us for any length of time, you know that our garage is continually messy, and I keep telling you, we're gonna get it clean. We're gonna get it clean. Look at the garage.
Spotless.
This is what we've been working on today. And now, let's just not talk about this. Let's just ignore that for a minute.
Yeah.
And just enjoy this.
Yeah. It's like when we moved here, except for that stuff.
That was too heavy. We always shuffle stuff around in the garage. It's really hard to clean when you're shuffling. Oh, let's move this over here, let's move this over here. You can never truly sweep, you can never truly organize, you never truly take the time to go through what you have. So we decided, and this is a good tip for the minimalists out there, or people who want to get organized and just tackle their mess problem, is pull it all out. Just pull it out. Start with a fresh space. Here's the empty space. And now what we're going to do is go through everything that's out here. And we have to get it done because otherwise, you know, you can't sit on the driveway all day. We're going to go through it and we're going to decide quickly. We're not going to spend our whole life doing this. Do we want it or not? If we don't want it, it's not coming back in. It's going to be out for free or it's going to be put for sale. It's not coming back in. And if we want it, we're going to put it in there in a good, organized way.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. We're going to tackle the mess, go through it, and sort it out and figure out what we want, what we don't. And basically for us, since we're moving, it's not what we want, it's what are we moving with.
Basically, yeah.
If it's not coming with us, we got to find a home for it soon.
Backlit.
I don't know if you can see us, but the truck is here. We're super excited. It's Monday. Looks like they're going to try to turn around on our difficult to turn around road and come into our driveway. I don't know how they're going to do this. Right here. So believe it or not, that is 7 tons of crushed stone. We got a number 73. I'm not sure, I'm not a stone guy, but it's like a crusher run. It's a mix of fine with the crushed stone. It's supposed to pack down good when you drive on it. It was affordable relatively. So we got basically as much as we could on our budget, and 7 tons is what it came out to be. So it should be enough to do this area and keep the mud out.
Yep.
So now Ashley has the fun job of raking that
Oh,
all.
I do? We won't be doing this yet.
Yeah.
Later when it cools down.
It is about 6 o'clock now, and the pile is still there. The good news is the sun has gone past the buildings. It's not hot. It feels really nice right now, and we're gonna get working. So what have we been doing all day? I took care of the recyclables, which we had a car full of.
Tons.
Yep. Did some grocery shopping, took care of some work.
Organize the living room.
We have been cleaning and organizing like crazy. Going through, when you have like stuff to go through, paper stuff, it really takes a long time to figure out what to do with everything.
And that's stuff you don't want to do at the last minute.
I've been also collecting and digging through old receipts to build a pile of receipts so that if we sell the house, we don't have to pay as much capital gains tax. We might talk about that in another video. But we're gonna get working on this and hopefully finished tonight.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm sweating. So we're working hard, we're getting a ton of work done fast. It's been 1 hour, so now it's about 7 o'clock. So we thought we'd show you the progress. And this is basically what we got done. You can see that pile is getting tiny. And let me back up. We got it spread out. About to there. And Ashley's been working on up here. Look at what we just got done. Time check. What time is it? 7:42?
Yeah.
7:42. We are done. Look at this. What do you think, Ash?
Awesome. Fresh.
Less than 2 hours and we just hustled this out.
Yeah. I'm glad
Awesome.
it's over.
Look how great this looks. Look at the mud pit is gone. So here we are ready to check another thing off the list. Let's do this. New stone on the driveway. Check. Clean garage. Look at it. I mean, this thing is spotless. This is all stuff we're getting rid of. So, check. The rest of it we're working on.
Yeah.
So we didn't have much more time to work tonight, so we just hustled and pushed. And we just moved 7 tons of stone by hand.
Yeah.
Couldn't do it without everybody working together. 7 tons.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of stone to move. So now we're a little bit, I'm tired. I'm ready for a
Worn
snack.
out,
Yeah.
sweaty.
But it feels so good to get this done. And doesn't it look good? No more
Yeah.
mud, no more yuck. So remind me to invest in a tractor at our next property, because this is like crazy work. We can't do this every single time.
Yeah, we've done way too much hand digging
Yeah.
in our life.
So I guess we're gonna end it here before our battery dies. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got another awesome progress job completed, and that's feeling good. And
I think we're almost ready to talk to the real estate agent.
yeah, the stuff we have to do is so minimal that it
Like
doesn't
within
matter.
days. I don't know.
We'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.
Bye.